Hello, in this video, we will learn how to disable the faster scrolling speed on TikTok. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to receive all updates. First, open the TikTok application. Move to the personal page. Then, tap on the three lines. Press the settings icon. Scroll down. Go to accessibility. Here, you will see this interface that has this option enabled by default. Just click on it to get rid of the faster scrolling speed issue. Now, you will have a normal scrolling speed while watching videos. I hope you liked the video. See you later.